How to invite friends on Ultimate Golf. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you want to play Ultimate Golf with friends, then here's how you can invite them step by step. Launch open the Ultimate Golf application on your device, and once you're in the home page, go ahead and click on the Friends tab at the bottom left corner. Inside the Friends tab, you'll see an Invite Friends button. If you invite friends, you'll earn 500 golf cash and a gold bag for each friends that join in with your link. Tap on the Invite Friends button and then go ahead and click on Send Invites. Select one of the contacts from your device, or you may also go ahead and choose any messaging platform or social media and select a friend you want to invite. You can also copy your friend code by tapping on Copy Friend Code and then share it with anyone you want to invite in the Ultimate Golf game. After you send the invite, your friends will get a notification to join your game. Once your friend accepts, you can start a match or play a round together. So that is how you easily invite friends in Ultimate Golf. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.